The rain and wind had eased off a little after the last few days, and as we made our way to Sue's Bridge, we were glad of the break and a bit of sunshine. Just 57 kilometres from Margaret River and 53 kilometres from Augusta, Sue's Bridge is a medium-sized campground in the peaceful Jarrah Marri Forest, and much like Chapman Pool just down the road, Sue's Bridge campsite is part of the Blackwood National Park and a relaxing place to visit for a picnic by the river. Bookings are essential and can be made online for up to 180 days, approximately 6 months before arrival, and for one campsite only. There are 25 campsites, each with a compacted earth surface that varies significantly due to the forest setting. After heavy rain, notices regarding some water-soaked sites will be placed alongside booking information. Some sites are not suitable for caravans and camper trailers, so please check the campground map carefully when booking. There is no entry fee to the park, but camping fees do apply and are as follows. Adults $15, with concession $10. Children $5 with no concession. Fees are charged per person per night. Take the time to walk down by the river. It is very peaceful indeed, with places to sit and just watch the bubbles floating by. Steps at the campground and the adjacent day use area provide access to the Blackwood River for swimming and launching canoes and kayaks. There are food preparation and dining shelters with gas barbecues, dishwashing sinks and rainwater, not guaranteed year round. There are also picnic tables and benches. Please note, generator use is not permitted. Like most bush campsites run by the Department of Parks and Wildlife, Sue's Bridge campsite has only basic camping facilities. This means there are long drop toilets, no drinking water, no showers, and all campsites are unpowered. This helps make the camping here far more peaceful and natural, and you have access to the river, native wildlife, birds, peaceful bushwalking and wildflowers. Not to mention it's a whole lot cheaper than caravan parks these days. The campground and the whole of the Southwest Capes area is very popular during school holidays and weekends from October to April, particularly public holiday weekends. Do be prepared with an alternative place to stay at these times in case there is no suitable site available. We'll be visiting Sue's Bridge again for sure. It's a popular little campsite, so I'll have to book early by the look of things. Thanks again for watching. We hope to see you soon with another video.